Hello everyone, I am Swati, your Myntra Style mentor, and I welcome you to B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down the latest celebrity looks in under 3 minutes. Recently for a date night, Malaika was seen in a bright and sunny yellow dress, which had a V neckline, a 2-tier ruffles hem and statement sleeves. She added a pop of color to this bright look via a pair of red snakeskin print boots. While adding that pop of color in her footwear to the yellow dress was a great idea, the snakeskin boots looked rather off. Wish she would have picked a slender pair of heels or a simple pair of red booties instead. However, in a sea of women mostly wearing black for date nights, I do admire Malaika's guts to pull off a yellow look. Let me show you a few pieces we have here that you could wear for a date night. If the bright yellow is too loud for you, try the subtle version of it instead, like this button-down off-the-shoulder yellow dress. Another popular hue of yellow that is rather subtle would be this mustard yellow dress. The embroidery on the off-shoulder dress is rather interesting. If yellow is not quite your taste, you could try and switch the combination up and go for red dresses like this one. This is a sheath dress and this one here is an off-the-shoulder neckline. These can be paired with fun mustard or tan pair of heels. So the next time you head out on a date, don't fret picking up a bright hue. That is all from our episode today. See you guys next time. Bye.
Hey guys, I'm Shikha and welcome back to another episode of B-Town Style Under 3, where we break down your favorite celeb looks. Today we're talking about Malaika Arora. Malaika was recently spotted in a really casual and simple yet feminine and beautiful look. Here's what she was wearing. She was seen wearing a halter neck dress by Zimmermann. It had a small cutout around the waist and then it had a straight fit skirt attached to it. I think the cutout around the waist made it look like it was a bustier paired with a skirt when actually it was a dress. It was a beautiful white off-white color that had floral print on it, so it looked really fresh. She paired the look with a Chloe bag that had the circle handle, which is a really popular style with Chloe bags, and she finished the look off with a pair of sunglasses that have a white rim and white Balenciaga sneakers. Now I love the entire look and I love the styling. I like how the makeup is fresh. I like how the hair is straight and simple. The sunglasses make it look super vintage and feminine, and I think the grey Chloe bag just adds a touch of color and it also goes with the floral print on the dress. However, one problem I have with the look is the white sneakers. I'm all for wearing white sneakers. I think you can wear white sneakers or sneakers with a matter of fact with anything from a lehenga to a sari to even a ball gown. However, in this look, somehow it was making the dress look podgier. I think the look was so feminine and dainty that I would have much preferred a pair of strappy sandals or a pair of heels instead of the sneakers. Those sneakers are the shoe of the decade. In this case, they did not quite work. There are some places where you need to remember to keep your sneakers, to leave them behind, to keep them out. I think, in fact, even a pair of ballet flats I don't think would have worked with a dress like this. I do have a couple of footwear options here that I think you guys should try if you're looking to wear a dress like the one that Malaika was wearing, starting with a really popular footwear trend that are platforms. Now, platforms are a new take on platforms. They're super comfortable, and if you're a shorter girl and you're wearing a midi length dress, I think you must pair it with a pair of heels. But if you still want to be comfortable, then I think platforms totally work. I think a pair of platforms like these ones. Now these over here have a cane wedge detail, and it's a very neutral color. It's a brown color, so it goes with literally anything and everything. It looks like wedges, but it's far more comfortable than a pair of wedges, and it's super stylish. So I think platforms are something that you guys should totally invest in, indulge in, and especially a dress like Malaika's, I think this would look really nice. The next option that I have for you guys is something that will add a pop of color to your entire outfit, and that is a pair of purple heels. I think if you're wearing a simple white midi dress that has floral print on it, to add a pop of color in your footwear will just brighten up your outfit, and I think purple is a color that people really neglect, especially in footwear and makeup. I think you should really use deeper jewel tone purple in your makeup as well as your footwear. So I have this pair of purple shoes over here that I think would be a perfect match for a white midi dress. Moving on to the next item, if you're someone who just does not understand color or find it very difficult to play with color, Then I think a pair of PVC sandals like these ones. PVC heels are basically transparent heels, as you guys can see over here. It's transparent. They're also funnily known as the Cinderella sandals because Cinderella wore glass slippers and these are transparent. So I think something like this would go with everything. So I think a pair of shoes like this is a must-have in every girl's wardrobe, especially if you're wearing a midi dress, and again you have the heel over here which would give you the height, because like I said, midi dress, the length is a bit in between, so it tends to cut you off. Now the last option that I have over here is a play on the latest trend that's really huge and Bollywood has been loving. That's print on print. So if you're wearing a simple white midi dress with a floral print on it, then you can mix it up and add another print into your outfit via your footwear. So I have this gingham pair of heels over here. I think a pair of gingham or checkered footwear is a good play on print because it's a really subtle and classic print. Again, the advantage in this footwear is that it's a black and white check, so it does not have a color, so it's simpler to style. So I think just experimenting with your footwear can really help you incorporate a lot of latest trend and change your outfit game. That's all from today. I'll see you guys next time.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.